Hey, what up, guys? Are you looking for some movies? Are you looking for some TV shows? Are you looking for sports? Or are you looking for live TV? Are you sick and tired of apps and overpriced subscription fees that don't give you what you want? Because you just want to watch whatever comes to mind and you have full access to it? I have some apps available for your Amazon Fire TV stick that are not available in the Amazon App Store. Check this out and I'll show you how I get these apps on my device. First thing you need to do is head over to the little find icon, click on it, or highlight search, click on search, and type in Downloader. D-O-W-N. Downloader comes up fairly quickly. You may need to spell out the entire word. Downloader. Click on Downloader. Downloader gives us the ability to install applications that are not available in the Amazon App Store. This is Downloader, the big orange icon. Click on it. Down here, yours probably says download, get it. So download, get it. So click on that. It'll install automatically onto your Amazon device. And this will work with any Amazon device. So before we open it, let's head to the home screen. There's two ways we can do this. Downloader has an option that we need to change. In order to do that, we can head all the way down to the settings icon. And under settings, look for My Fire TV and click on it. Under My Fire TV, I have About listed and Developer Options and Legal and Compliance. You probably don't have developer options listed. If you don't worry, we can get it. We just keep About highlighted, click on it with a remote, and here it says Firestick, Storage, Network, check for updates. It's always a great idea to check for updates while we're in here. Let's check. It says the last check on Saturday, August 2nd, which is today. You can always click on it. Firestick is up to date. So let's highlight Fire TV Stick. Click on it about 7 to 10 times. And here it says no need, you're already a developer. Now yours should probably say that or congratulations, now you're a developer. So if we use our backup button on our remote, now we have developer options listed. So under developer options, highlight it and click on it. Here we have ADB debugging and we have install unknown apps. So highlight install unknown apps, use our remote and click on it. And here I have downloader listed here. So highlight it and click on it with the center button on your remote. Downloader is now on, and this will allow Downloader to install applications that are not available on the Amazon App Store and use a Downloader as an app store. So we head back once, head back twice or 3 times, or go push the home button on our remote and let's look for Downloader. So the last application that you download in the Amazon Fire TV stick will be under this 3 squares plus sign icon. So we can click all the way over to there, highlight it, use our remote and click the center button. And now the last application that we downloaded is here at the very bottom of our list. So let's go down and open up Downloader. Highlight it and select it to open it up. Allow Downloader to access photos, media, and file on our device. So click Allow, and then click OK. This is just a quick start guide. And here, it gives us the option to put in a URL. So you can type in like https://ledbytheunknown.com, or I have a shortcut for you. So you can click the center button on our remote once, twice. That leads us into this page for the keyboard. And we can just type in 370178. 370178. 7, 8. And then highlight go and push the select button on our remote. This will automatically take us to the Led by the Know web page, the download section, where there's apps available for our Fire Stick, all for free. Once the page is loaded, use the 3-line button on our remote and add this current page to our favorites, because this is going to be our new app store, folks. There's a bunch of apps on here. I can't go through them all in one video, but take a look. Today we're going to concentrate on movies, TV shows, maybe find a couple for live TV, and of course get one, at least one for sports. We'll save the bookmark. Let's head down. Here we have Cinema and On. These are two great applications for movies, new movies, old movies, movies just out. We can click on Cinema, head down, and here's the Cinema. Highlight the button or hover the button on our remote, and as you can tell, this little red circle, right, left, up, down. We select the button and this automatically starts downloading. Now, if we didn't set that option originally for downloader, it would ask us here. It wouldn't let us get past this stage because it won't allow downloader to install an application or download it without the setting being enabled or without turning on the unknown apps. But we've done that, so we can just head down to the bottom right and click install. Sometimes they take a little longer than others. And then highlight done to close out the installation phase. Click delete as we no longer need this installed, or as we no longer need the installation file on our device. And then confirm delete. Now we can back out one. And here we can try on. Highlight it with your cursor. And this one just downloads automatically. And then down on the bottom right, click install. On downloads, hit done. Delete the installation file, confirm the delete. Delete the installation file and confirm the delete. Now, so we got two great apps for movies, new content, old content. We can head down a bit. Here we got a couple great applications for live TV as well as sports. Both of them have everything. So here's stream, head down. The install file or backup. All these all have backup, so if the first one doesn't work, try the second one. I've also had it where people say they need to click the button twice for it to actually engage. So install, give it a moment for it to install, click done, delete the installation file, and yes, I want to confirm my delete. And now the stream's installed. Back out one, we can try live net. Head down on the page, find the blue button. So an Amazon device, backup, Android device, whatever your pleasure is. Down on the bottom right, click install, let the application install. Once it's installed, highlight done. Delete the installation file, confirm the delete. Then we back out another one. Now let's look for sports. So there is one app I definitely recommend for sports. Has a schedule, has everything you need. On this page, check out the video that's there I have to blur this out because I can't show certain things. Here's the latest and greatest version of the application. We click on it and install it onto our device. So down on the bottom right, again, click install. We'll hit done. Delete the installation file, confirm the delete. And back out. Guys, there are many more apps down here for you. I'm updating it constantly, making sure the latest and greatest apps are available. Let's head to the home button on our remote. Let's head to the home screen, hit the home button on our remote. We can find these applications. They'll be in the 3 squares plus sign. And here, the last apps that we downloaded are at the very bottom. So we can highlight downloader, push the 3-line button on our remote, and here we have move to front, more info, offload, or uninstall. So let's move it to the front. And we're going to need downloader as our new app store, right? Cinema, same thing. 3-line button on our remote. We can move to the front. And then let's say sports. 3-line button on our remote, move to the front. And then let's do live net. 3-line button on our remote, move to the front. And then I'll do on, 3-line, move to the front. And of course, stream for a bunch of live TV, move to the front. And when we push the home button, we have 6 great applications on our Amazon device for movies, for TV shows, for live TV, and for sports, and a new app store. This, my friends, is what's going to make your day happy. Enjoy. I'm Lee. I'm here to help you with all your Amazon Fire TV Sticks needs. I'm here to help you with all your Amazon Fire TV Stick needs. I have tips and tricks all available on that download section and more. There's other videos out there, especially in those web pages, that'll definitely help you out with these applications. Trust me, I've been doing this for 15 years, helping all my friends and family, and now I'm helping you. Enjoy. Happy streaming. Peace.